Dan here for Windows 101. Today we're taking a look at the Unger Ergotec Ninja bucket on a belt. A couple of features of this bucket on a belt is it has a swivel function, which makes it useful when you bend down. It's not going to spill water on your pant legs or on the floor. It also has a quick release. If you want to take it off real fast, put it back on. It's pretty cool. It has 4 slots inside. There's a place for a scraper, a wand, and then it'll take 2 squeegees. You can use a standard channel size, or one of the things that's really cool about this is it'll fit a wide channel squeegee as well. I really like how everything fits in here. It's easy to take in and out. I think this is a great choice for a professional looking to keep their tools organized. I think you're going to like it.